This message is transmitted by the request of the local authorities. In the past 48 hours, we have received 17 missing person reports. Most of the callers have been parents reporting their children missing, most being ages 4 to 15. Their houses have also been reported to be broken into. We suspect the culprit to not be just one person but perhaps an organization of some sorts working together to kidnap these children and teenagers. We recommend you to do the following. Lock all doors and windows, turn off all lights, and stay indoors. If you suspect someone or something is suspicious, call the authorities immediately. If your house is broken into, run and hide and call 911. We will keep you all updated on any news about the developing situation. Thank you for your cooperation. Turn on your lights. I repeat, turn on your lights. In the time between our last alert, about 5 hours, 20 more people have gone missing and 9 have been found murdered with their bodies almost mangled beyond recognition, most being adults. The group or individual behind the recent kidnappings is not a human or a group of humans, it is more so a creature. The creature in question has almost impossible characteristics. It is over 7 feet tall, has arms that are 6 feet in length, and is extremely strong. It has also been proven to be extremely intelligent, even smarter than us humans. It knows how to use doors and open windows. We have also discovered that it is extremely sensitive to light, and it seems that is its only weakness. Turn on your lights to scare off this creature from your homes. If you need to go out, bring a flashlight at all times. Call 911 if you see this creature. Turn on all lights. Turn on all lights. Turn on all lights.